It's a great day for a drive, especially in this 2019 F-150 XLT in ingot silver. Gray cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. It has a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. It's paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has the XTR package, and that adds a little bling with chrome bumper, grille, handles, running board, and tow hooks. It also has a power sliding window with rear defrost. As well, you have a max trailer tow package. It's really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine. It's paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat as well as the passenger seat are powered with lumbar. You have these nice all-weather mats on the floor, and you have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, grab handle, and running board just makes it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, as well as volume with media and hands-free dialing. We're going to start up the vehicle. You're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and a menu will come up. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. Your automatic select shifter has drive mode at the end, and when we press it, you'll see it appear normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. So you can adjust to road conditions and the climate changing. And there's a little bin there, hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. And we're seeing our display screen. We're going to go into audio and sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You also have navigation, and the map will come up. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view. So the white lines are showing you the direction you're going as you turn the steering wheel. The dotted line there is the center for your connection to your tow hitch, and you have green, yellow, red, and that's how close you're getting to objects as you go in reverse or other vehicles. I'm going to put us back into park, and we can touch the home button. That'll take us back. We can go into settings, see the different options. There's Bluetooth in there, Ford Pass Connect, automatic updates, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and so forth. In your display, you can actually change the look of the display screen, lighten and darken it, volume and tuner, and then down below is your fan, heated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as AC and max AC, and your front and rear defrost. A couple of USB outlets and a 12-volt. You've got a little bin down there, 4x4 with locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. And in the center, a couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up, lots of storage in there, and then flip up the seat. You've got another seating position and a seat belt. Unclip underneath and lots of room down there. And off to the side is your 12-volt and 110. You've got a locking glove compartment, grab handle in the body, and an auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you have a power sliding window in the rear, and that's what that button's for. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome and magnetic running board, chrome door handle, keyless entry keypad, and you have the heated side view mirrors, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. And in the rear, the chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable, and your backup camera's just below that, backup sensors on your bumper. You have the max trailer tow hitch, which includes 4 and 7-pin connector and a trailer hitch, and the trailer hitch, as well as the locking spare tire. And then we're going to open it up. Got a nice line box with a tonneau cover, tie downs in all 4 corners, and you also have a tailgate step, and that yellow button is just a rod that pulls out and creates a handle for you to make it easier to get in and out. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start, speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You've also got a grab handle in the body and seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. You easily lift the seat up with one hand. It's in the upright position, giving you more room on the floor. And then to bring the seat down, you simply pull the tab and it'll come right down. You have inflatable seat belts, as well anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. All-weather mat on the floor, and there's also extra carpeted mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat. You have a 12-volt as well as USB outlets on the left-hand side there. A couple of cup holders, another grab handle, hooks, lighting, and a power sliding window in the rear with rear defrost. Bumper, mud flaps, 6.5-foot box tonneau cover, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated side view mirrors with integrated turn signal, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.